Hi guys. I'm glad you can join me today. I have something I think is fun. We have just passed the Black Friday and I'm sure y'all do some shopping, or I hope you got some good deals. I also did some shopping. Some of the things I like to shop the most are beauty products. So I have a good amount of beauty products that I want to share with you what I got on Black Friday. Yeah, I want to do the unboxing with you guys, and in the meantime put some of these products on my face, kind of like unboxing and first impression. So usually Colourpop all through the year they are such it's inexpensive, so you can buy throughout the year, but I try not to go too crazy with my shopping. Again, I'm not like I'm not a beauty guru, so I'm trying to keep my purchase to a reasonable degree. So I bought a BFF liquid liner. So here's the color. This is Grande. This is their eyeliner in brown. Their brown eyeliner. I think a lot of people was hoping they come out with a brown eyeliner for a while, and they finally did. So oh, I got their blending sponge. I do use sponge. I like using sponge, but I'm so lazy to water them. This, I didn't buy the little one. I bought the regular size, but wow, this is way smaller than I expected. This is the one I usually use. This is, sorry it's dirty, but this is the Juno sponge, and right now it's dry as well. I was using the brush to blend out my foundation, but look at the size comparison. Wow, this is really tiny, but this is super duper soft. This is like really soft. I don't see any pores. And then we got these their tinted lip crayon. I got the coconut one and the peach one. So I got the Orange You Glad 9-pan palette and Going Coconuts palette. This one is all the rage this November, this 9-pan coconuts palette. So I think I will wear this one today. I'm very most excited about this 9-pan palette. The last items that I got from them are these cheek blush and highlight sticks. I have really dry skin, so I've been seeing that a lot of people with dry skin are enjoying these cream products. And I want to start off with the coconuts palette. Once I'm done with this, I do want to show you my Ulta Black Friday. You know, I'm going to lay down some base color here. So going in with a powdery, a fluffy brush, and just kind of lay this down all over my eyelid. I'm gonna put this lovely bunch color as a light transition color. This is so pretty. I want to put a little bit on my arm, see what that looks like. Yeah, it's just a little bit of light color. What I had to put this at an angle, dab at the corner, and then bring it in. Alright, so I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corner. It's gonna be pretty much like a really simple eye today. Again, I take a pointier brush because I don't have very big eyes. I take a pointier brush and then just dab it on the outer corner, dab, dab, dab until it's the shape I like, and then I blend it. I've been raving about this Cocoa Crush. So let me put a little bit on my ring finger. I heard just a little bit would do it. So let's see, I'm gonna put it on majority of my eyelid. Take this little pencil brush, just dip into Palm Raider, this white color here, and put it in the inner corner. Ooh, that is beaming. Ooh, this is really soft. Oh, this one is a little crumbly. Oh, my head. Oh, my head. And then what I like to do is to kind of like sweep it in a little bit, kind of melt the color into the lid shade. I was looking for the little smudger. I want to take that crease color we used before, the Lovely Bunch, and just kind of line this lower lash line area. You can tell I don't do these, I don't talk about these very much. That's so pretty. It just gives a soft definition. And then I want to take that deep color, the deep color in the corner, and just put a little bit of this right at the very outer corner here. All right. I can't look at the camera while I line my eyes because I literally have to like stick my nose in the mirror in order to see my eyes in such detail. So, oh well, like I said, I'm not professional at this. I spend most of my days like cooking and research about health. So this is a very short part of my day, but one of the most enjoyable part of my day. All right. Ooh, the BlushStix. I'm so excited about them. This one is called Aloha. I think it's supposed to be a little bit like peachy, salmon-y kind of color. I hope it is. Yeah, it's like a salmon color. And then last but not least is 25-8. Pinky, warm pinky color. So I'm actually like super excited about this Aloha color. I don't want to take this directly, swipe it on my face. If it's too pigmented, it will be a disaster. I'm very new to cream products, so what I like to do is to take a little, a small brush. This is a Real Techniques, I think contour or something kind of brush, contour or cheek brush. So I just take it in my hand, take some, dab it on my hand, dab it out a little bit, make sure the color is all right, and then dab it on my cheeks. But oh, this is so pretty. Like when I first put it directly on my hand, I feel like I don't know if I would like it because it looked, I don't know, a little stronger than I like. But once you blend it out on the cheeks, oh, this is so pretty. I do like to blend my blush a little bit higher. I feel like that lifts the face a little bit. Now onto the highlighter. So same thing, I'm going to use the same brush on the other side and dab, 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 tap, tap, tap. And put this on my cheek. Oh, you know, once it's on the face, it's actually a little bit subtler than I thought. But it's pretty though. I think I'm going to wear, Now just to pair with the going with the coconut theme, I'm going to wear the Waikiki. Definitely kind of like a My Lips But Better, or Your Lips But Better. Well, I don't know your lips, but I can only tell how it looks on my lips. It has a click. The cap has a nice solid click. I like that. So this is all the Colourpop items I got. Now I want to show you guys. I'm really excited. The thing I got from Ulta. I waited online for like more than half hour just to get this. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow vault. So I'm excited to get this because this is almost the price of one palette for two. So this contains the Renaissance palette and the Soft Glam palette. I'm really excited about it because I've wanted the Soft Glam palette for a long time. I think it's gorgeous. I think it suits me. Like I said, I have tons of neutral palettes, and this is just another 2 neutral palettes. But right now I'm actually thinking to give this to a friend who is really into like berry tones and stuff like that. Probably mail it to her. So the bottom drawer is the Soft Glam drawer. I am so excited. I wish they have a little pulley thing so it's easier to get out of the drawer. But this is the Soft Glam. I'm sure many of you have it or seen it, or if you don't do makeup, you don't care. Yeah, I think this is so beautiful. It's a warm tone palette. It has some of the shimmers that are just like the sultry palette, like very glittery shimmer, and I think they are so pretty. So I didn't use it today. I don't think I want to dig into it just yet, but I think I'm going to sit this on my desk because this is so pretty. We've been looking for a tablet deal for a good while, and my husband actually finally saw a really great tablet deal. So we ended up getting this Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. But for me, the main thing is the pen. I really need a pen for my tablet. I like handwriting things. The only reason I got the previous tablet is because it has a pen. So I'm really glad this one was deeply marked down. We got this for around $250 plus tax. So I think we got such a great deal. This is pretty new too. It's not like so many years older. This is just from last year, and we did get it brand new in a box. So I'm really happy about that. So that's my Black Friday purchases. Did you guys find any good deals that you feel is really awesome, worth your time, worth your money? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. If you like these haul videos, let me know so I will continue to make them. I don't buy a ton of things all the time, but if I have something interesting, I would like to share with you guys if you enjoyed this. So if you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, like the video, and share with other people, and please subscribe. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.